Are you struggling trying to digitize complicated embroidery images for your customers? Well, scroll no further because I have the solution for you. Hey, my name is Anthony from Rocket Prints, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic design to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. As we all know, digitizing can be stressful, time consuming, and very costly if it's not done right. Well, I discovered a platform that can help alleviate all those unnecessary barriers and help you concentrate on other workflows while they do all the hard work for you. And this company is called ZDigitizing. One of the things that stood out to me about ZDigitizing was they were affordable compared to other services. They also offer a super fast turnaround from 4 to 12 hours. And if it's urgent, 1 to 4 hours. Free edits are included, and they also offer a free backup plan just in case your files get lost. So let's check out the website so you actually can get a feel for what their workflow is all about. And right off the bat, you notice front and center, fast, affordable, and 100% guaranteed. That tells you how confident ZDigitizing stands behind their brand. So all you need to do to upload your file is simply go to and click on Get My Design Digitized Now. Choose the file format, select the size, select your turnaround time, and select the complexity of your design. From there, choose your file format, and voila, you are all set up to get your image digitized quickly and professionally. So my digitized artwork came in, and I'm going to perform a stitch run and see how this one comes out. I'm going to give my honest review of what I think about the quality of ZDigitizing, the digitizing itself, and how I think it'll benefit you when it comes to using their service and platform. So let's go ahead and get stitching, and I'll see you guys in the back. Okay guys, and here is the final result, what you all been waiting for. Check that out. Look at that image. So first it started off with an underlay, okay? And then it created the border, and then it did the inside. Now you can see one of the digitizer's struggles that we all go through is getting the border precise with the underlay. And the underlay is not overlapping outside of the border. You can see right there, that's a win. Look at the density, how tight the border is. Also, look at the quality of the image. That looks like a bear to me. As you can see, look at the teeth, how nice and pointy they are. Also right here, they added a overlay so to make that stand out, kind of like a 3D form. And overall, look at the quality of this image. This is a great image, guys. Now, just to keep in mind, I didn't make any adjustments to this image. It was just plug and play. Downloaded it to my machine and got to stitching, and this is the result. Okay, so with that, what do I think about ZDigitizing? Yes, I would definitely recommend anybody to try them out, because look at the quality. It speaks for itself. And if you want to get connected right away using their product and services, click on the promo code ROCKIN50 to get you a 50% discount for the first time purchase. As you can see, their images and their quality of artwork speak for themselves. So with that, I hope you have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.